What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So the good folks over at Fifine shot us over one of their gaming USB-C microphones for us to take a look at right here on the channel. So that is what we will be doing today in this video. Now, first and foremost, I just got to say thank you to them for actually sending it out, because you guys know that I appreciate any and everything we get on this channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then you might as well go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. That way you can be a part of helping this channel grow. Let's take a look at this microphone. All right, so if you are looking for this microphone, you can find it on Amazon. I will throw a link up in the description for you guys, but the price will run you about 60 bucks, and that will get you the whole kit that you see right here in front of me. As far as the unboxing experience goes, once you open up the box, first things first, you will be greeted with your manual like always. You will also have your USB-C cable. You'll have a windscreen. You will have a desk clamp. You will have the microphone, and then you will have the scissor arm located under the bottom. And as far as the microphone goes, build quality wise, it is made of plastic. It is very lightweight. Some of the features on the microphone is that it already has like an internal shock mount already on the microphone. It has a volume knob on the bottom, and it has a mute button at the top. And it is RGB, but there is no there is no headphone jack. I'm sorry, there is no headphone jack to be able to monitor your audio. So just keep that in mind if you are looking at grabbing this microphone. So this is the audio quality that you can expect from this microphone. Overall, I think the microphone looks pretty good. It does not have enough weight for the actual scissor arm though, because the microphone is made of plastic. The windscreen is pretty good. Everything seems to be pretty good. It does have a mute switch right on the top, has the volume knob on the bottom, and it does cycle through the RGB. You can't control that. It just kind of cycles through on its own. But this is the audio quality. I haven't done anything to it. I will not do nothing to it in post, but I did in Filmic Pro turn the microphone levels down in Filmic Pro, and I did turn them down on the microphone just because I was wanting to make sure that I wasn't peaking or anything like that. So I did turn everything down in that aspect. This is a microphone that you can use with your iPhone, because that is what I'm primarily recording with on this video. Even though we do use the ZV-1, I can't plug this microphone into the ZV-1. It is strictly for, PCs or, iPhones or anything that you can plug it in that's outside of something like a dedicated DSLR camera, just because it doesn't have that input for that. Also, keep in mind it does not have a headphone jack, so you will not be able to monitor the audio, which is not a bad thing. It's just that something I want you guys to keep in mind. And one last thing too is that there is a different kit online. You can find it without the whole actual elbow arm. You can just find it with the stand, so make sure you take a look at that as well. With that being said, let's go ahead and wrap this video up. Now, if you found this video to be helpful in some way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.